For many consumers, a car's dependability is its most important feature. Even if a recently released car may be sporty, cheap, reasonable, or luxury, these features won't be appreciated for very long if the vehicle is unreliable. Even people who buy cars without giving them much thought later on may have second thoughts after the ongoing repair and maintenance costs drain their finances. Nobody wants an automobile that is kept in a garage for longer than it is driven. While many performance car manufacturers have a reputation for putting style and performance ahead of dependability, several Japanese cars have shown to be the most dependable in recent decades. But in order to identify the best and least trustworthy car models, a new J.D. Power study looked at automotive reliability using a sample of 30,595 original owners of 2021 model year vehicles over the course of the preceding 3 years. Due to sample size limitations, this list may not be all-inclusive, but it still provides a useful overview of the reliability of several auto brands during the last few years. These 15 brands fell short of expectations. Before Genesis became a brand, it was a nameplate. Designed to compete with Toyota's Lexus, Honda's Acura, and Nissan's Infiniti, Genesis is the luxury arm of Korean carmaker Hyundai. Hyundai first introduced the Genesis Executive Sedan, which was modeled after the BMW 5 Series, in 2008. But after 2 prosperous generations and 9 years, the Hyundai company made the decision to establish Genesis as a standalone premium brand. Take a look at these Genesis brand statistics to see why the company gained such a large fan base in North America. Only Ram manufactures pickup trucks. Since its introduction in 1981, the Ram truck range, formerly known as the Dodge Ram until 2010, has been among the best-selling pickup truck brands in America. As with the other truck brands owned by America's Big Three, the most popular model is the full-size half-ton Ram 1500, which competes with vehicles like the Nissan Titan, Chevy Silverado 1500, Ford F-150, GMC Sierra 1500, and Toyota Tundra. Being among the fastest pickup trucks in 2023, the Ram 1500 TRX, with its supercharged Hemi Hellcat V8 engine, is one of Ram's most impressive models. Honda used to be one of the most reliable car brands. Honda's inclusion in this list may come as a huge surprise for many automotive enthusiasts, especially since Honda has been known as one of the brands that sold the most reliable cars for the past few decades. For example, last 2015, Honda placed 5th in J.D. Power's dependability study. Unfortunately, J.D. Power's recent results have demoted the brand to the bottom half of this year's reliability rankings. Nevertheless, Honda fans may be happy to know that the 2021 model years of the brand's most popular gas-powered nameplates, the Civic Accord and CR-V, all received great quality and reliability scores of 82, 82, and 84 out of 100 respectively from J.D. Power itself. This was the specific model year that the latest J.D. Power dependability study was based on, so many Honda fans can still have some confidence in these models. The 2021 Pilot and Ridgeline, however, received quality and reliability scores in the 70s. Certain GMC cars are good at preserving their market value. GMC cars are highly regarded by consumers for their remarkable power, daring and tough styling, and superior luxury treatment compared to that of its corporate cousin, Chevrolet. Additionally, a few GMC automobiles rank among the most valuable American cars to buy second-hand. Unfortunately, because GMC mostly manufactures pickup trucks and SUVs, both of which score lower than passenger cars like sedans, hatchbacks, and wagons, it has below-average brand reliability ratings from Consumer Reports and J.D. Power. According to RepairPal, some of these include problems with the fuel line, transmission, engine idle speed, sensors, and of course, the infotainment system. I hope the ride was enjoyable. If so, remember to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up for more news, reviews, and insights about cars. Have any queries or ideas about the subject of today? Put them in the comments section below. I always like reading what you have to say and interacting with our automotive community.